students, how are you all? I hope everyone is good. Welcome back our online class, English class 3. Students, in this video, we are going to start a new lesson. And the lesson name is The Dog Ate My Homework. Okay, what is the lesson name? The Dog Ate My Homework. Usually, teachers are giving homeworks, right? When you are coming to school or when you are in home. If it is online or offline, whatever it is, teachers are explaining the subjects according to their content and they are giving homework, and most of the students are doing homework and some of the students are not doing homework. Yes or no? So when teachers are asking about homework, understand, when teachers are asking about homeworks, some people are saying, sir, I forgot my homework. Ma'am, I have forgot my notebook at home. Ma'am, I went to home. Sir, I went to village. These type of reasons are saying, isn't it? When we are asking a homework, usually you are telling lies. Sometimes, not all the times. Sometimes you are telling lies. Yes or no? So it is good to tell lies to teachers. Tell me. Good or bad? Very good. It is bad. Why? Because if you tell a lie to your teacher or to your parents or to your friends or whatever it is, in that particular time you will escape. In that particular time you will escape. But after that incident, after that situation, after that time, in your future you will face more problems. Why? Because you are habituated with telling lies. You are habituated. So, don't tell lies to anyone. Don't tell lies to anyone. Either it is your friends or teachers or your parents or anyone. Always tell lies. So, this is a lesson. The dog ate my homework. This is a lesson. In this lesson, there is a boy. Understand? There is a boy who is always telling lies to his friends, his teachers while they are asking about homework. Understand? So which type of lies he is telling to his teachers, and what happened later after telling lies, we are going to see in this lesson. Before the lesson, we have a starter kit. It's just like an activity or just like small discussion. It is not good to tell lies, yet each one of us tells a few lies in his or her life. Actually, I already told you it is not good to tell lies to anyone. But in our life, or in his life or in her life, boys are there and girls are there. So sometimes we have told these lies, this type of lies to someone, either your parents or friends or anyone. Okay, tell your group of a lie that you told and also how your lie was found. Tell which type of lie you told to someone and also tell to your group or to your friends that how it was found. Understand? I'll give you one more example. So there is a boy in a class. In your class there is a boy. He is not writing continuously. Last 1 week onwards he is not writing his homework. So daily I am giving punishment and I am telling him to do your homework. Otherwise I will give punishment. Like that. Daily I am saying, but then also he is not doing or she is not doing her homework or his homework. One day I sent him or her to principal ma'am, and she called your parents and she was asking that why she is not writing homework or why he is not writing homework. So that time your father was saying that yes ma'am, he is or she is writing homework at home. I don't know what is the reason, but daily he is spending most of the time with books only. So which means whatever the lie you told to teacher, subject teacher as well as to Principal ma'am, we found your lie. So never tell lie to anyone. Understand? So when we are calling to your parents, they are saying, no ma'am, he is doing homework. So we found your lie. So that time we will feel good or bad? We feel very bad. Yes or no? So don't tell lies to anyone. Understand? A lie that a small and harmless is called a white lie. Was your lie a white or lie or a serious one? So sometimes we are making fun with others in serious issues. Okay? For example, there is two close friends are there. So one day, one friend went to somewhere, another city, and another friend came and told him that your friend got an accident. So this friend went outside to see him. While he is going, suddenly he met with an accident. So this type of lies are called harm lies or danger lies. So here that friend, that person life is under risk. So don't tell this type of lies to anyone. So don't tell lies, simply don't tell lies to anyone. Okay? Now we'll start our lesson. See, it was a Sunday and there was no school. Tony woke up in the morning. He was so happy. The sun was shining pleasantly. Tony had a bath and ate a nice breakfast. Then he wanted to go to the park and play there with his friends. In the afternoon, they would all go to eat their favorite burger at McDonald's. Okay? See, I already told you there was a boy in the lesson and the boy name is Tony. Okay, the boy name is Tony. So it was Sunday. Okay, it was Sunday. Usually Sunday we have holidays, right? Sundays we have holidays. So there was Sunday and there is no school. Sundays we are getting holidays, so school will not open. So Tony woke up in the morning. He was so happy. Why? Because school is not there, no homeworks, no classes, nothing is there. So everyone feels very happy on Sundays, isn't it? So in the same way, Tony also felt very happy. He was so happy on that Sunday. The sun was shining pleasantly. Tony had a bath and ate a nice breakfast. So pleasantly you must underline. Okay? So the sun was shining very pleasantly and Tony had a bath and ate a nice breakfast. The morning time, whatever the food we are eating, that is called breakfast. So Tony took the bath and also ate little nice breakfast. Then he wanted to go to the park and play there with his friends. So if in our stream our friends will be there, after taking bath and after breakfast, we are also going out to play with our friends. So in the same way, Tony also wanted to go to the park and play with his friends. In the afternoon, they would all go to eat their favorite burger at McDonald's. Favorite also you must underline. Okay. So while they after playing afternoon time, they wanted to go to McDonald's. Why they want to go to McDonald's? To eat their favorite burger. You know burgers and pizza? Yeah. So they plan to go to McDonald's to eat their favorite burger. But then suddenly Tony remembered he could not go anywhere. Remember also underline. So but suddenly Tony remembered. What he remembered? He could not go anywhere. Why? See. Oh no, I can't go. He said very sadly. Oh no, I can't go today anywhere. Why? Because he could not go because he was on restriction. Okay. Restriction underline. So he was on restriction. He had been telling lies at school. His father had put him on restriction as a punishment. Punishment also underlined. he could not go out to play with his friends. He was very sad. He remembered what had happened on different days of the week. Already we know that there are different days in a week, like Monday, Tuesday. So why he did not go anywhere? Why? Because he was on a restriction. Why he was on a restriction? Let's see. His father put him on restriction as a punishment. Why he has given punishment? Because he told many lies to his teachers in school. So which type of lies he told to teachers, that we'll see in different days of the week. So first Tuesday. First one is Tuesday. Tuesday, see, teacher was asking Tony's homework. Where is your homework? Tony asked the teacher, ma'am, we have a pet dog. He is very naughty. He ate up all my homework, ma'am, said Tony. So Tuesday he went to school. After going to school, his teacher, ma'am, was asking about his homework. Where is your homework, Tony? He replied, what? Ma'am, we have a pet dog. We have a pet dog and he is very naughty. Who is very naughty? Pet dog. Pet dog is very naughty. He ate up all my homework, ma'am, said Tony. What he said? Ma'am, we have a pet dog in our house and he is very naughty. So that pet dog ate my all homework. Who said? Tony. To whom? To his teacher. On which day? On Tuesday. Do you understand, children? Yeah. See, next Wednesday. Where is your homework? Tony asked the teachers. Next day also, ma'am was asking again. Tony, where is your homework? Ma'am, I have a little brother. He is very naughty. He nicked up all my homework last night, said Tony. Again he is telling like to his teacher, what? Ma'am was asking, ma'am, Tony, where is your homework? And Tony replied, ma'am, I have a little brother and he nicked up all my homework last night. Okay? So on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which type of lies he told his teacher, that we see in our next video. Okay? See, children, these are the new words and meanings of today's content. See, what are the new words? Pleasantly, favorable, restriction, punishment and rip. Okay? It is ripped. But don't pronounce as ripped. Understand? Ripped. Okay? So, restriction, it means under check or not free. Here it means not allowed to go out as a punishment. Not only this, something, if you done any mistake in your home or anywhere, they are putting you on a restriction, which means you are not allowed to do that work. Understand? Punishment, we know that. And rip means tear something by pulling it sharply in different directions. Understand? Rip means tear something by pulling it sharply in different directions. So simply, I'll tell you, we are taking the paper. So I told you, when Wednesday, Tony told like to his teacher that my little brother ripped my homework. So that is okay. You must write these new words and meanings in your notebook as a classwork. Okay, and write this only 5 words as a homework 5 times in notebook. Classwork write with meanings. Homework meanings only 5 times. Classwork 1 time. Homework 5 times, only words. Don't write meanings as a homework, just write words only. But classwork you must write homeworks and words. Okay? Thank you.